Okay, we got our marks all done for our hands. We want to start our fingers so we get them to look like this. For the inside and the outside, this is what we're looking to come. I'll use this to be cutting my grooves in here. This will be a sanding disc that I'll be using. This will just widen up my hole there, and the same with this one here. And then I have these sanding wheels here that I'll be using. So we're going to start with cutting our grooves in here. We don't want to go all the way through, but we want to make a good enough groove so we'll be able to tell the fingers apart. So we'll do the same to this back side. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. So now what I'll do is I'm going to do the same to this side here, because I just do one step at a time on both hands so I can keep them looking the same. So we'll get the grooves cut in this one, and then we'll be back with the next step. Thanks for watching.